Hey everybody, David Scott Norton here. This is my break time update. Let me set my timer so I don't go over the limit. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how to clean up the Oracle database appliance. I've got that guy running over there in my office, and I'm going to show you on the monitor here how to run what's called the clean script. So when you get this thing from the factory, it has all the software installed. It's ready to go, and you can log into the application manager and generate your appliance and set your IP address, all that jazz, and create your databases. So I've done that a few times on this machine. And so what I want to do right now is clean it up. I want to take it back to how it's going to be delivered to a customer. So this machine stops at the Aero Technical Center, which is our distributor, when it comes from the factory, and they get it do the bare metal install and get all the Oracle databases, everything, the home's all squared away on there, to give you the options of all the Oracle versions of the database to run through the Appliance Manager. So I'm going to take it back to that state, and we'll see how it goes. It should be a pretty quick process. It's a script that's run through Linux. I'm going to connect through PuTTY. I could just go right to the terminal, and I've got my screen and monitor set up there. I could just connect directly. But I'm going to go through PuTTY on my laptop, and show you how it goes. Alright. So the first thing I want to show you is this document. We'll go all the way back to the beginning of this document. So you get a copy of this. This is the unofficial guide to the ODA install, and it's got a lot of neat tricks for three different versions of the ODA. Right now I'm working on the X62S, which is the small version. This talks about the cabling, terminology, etc. All the versions. Gives you the document on the Oracle support site where to go to get the latest info. It's pretty neat. So I'm going to buzz down through here. This shows you all the cabling, what all the ports are, where to hook your wires. How to run patching if you want to start from scratch. But what I'm looking for is a thing called the clean script. So I'm just going to go up here and say clean deploy. Okay, so it says optional. You can run the cleanup.pl script to reset the ODA in order to redeploy if you need to do so. So this cleans up the database without removing the software. Then you can just log in through the web, and you can run the Appliance Manager and generate your databases. So it's got a warning here, it will wipe out all your databases. You'll have to redeploy them again. And that's okay for me, because I'm just using this as a demo anyway. It's great for you if you're using this as a development box. So, to get in there, I need to go to this Perl script and to log in using PuTTY. I'm over my limit already. That's alright, I'm going to keep going. So, I'm going to log into PuTTY. And this is hosted locally on my network. If anybody wants to get to this, to my demo version, through the internet. I do have an IP address that I can give you, and I can give you access. Email me info at andavconsulting.com. I'll get you set up. You can play with this guy. So hit open. Boom. Log in as. So show some other screen here. I'll log in as root. Give it a password. Boom. I'm in. And I'm just going to switch back over to my PDF document, and I'm going to copy this script. Just right-click, copy, and I'll right-click to paste it into a terminal. And this says, if you can read it, it says, about to clean up deployment, running cleanup will delete grid user, grid, and DB user, Oracle, and also the groups, or install, DBA, ASM admin, ASM Opera, ASM DBA. Nodes will be rebooted. Do you want to continue? So yes, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to whip out all this stuff, and I want the thing to reboot. So I say yes. I'll hit enter. And so this is all scripted out. So all you got to do is sit back and watch it. So in 5 minutes, you can take this thing back to factory settings. Just using this script, one command. So now it says server unexpectedly closed network connection. Well, that's because the guy's rebooting. It's shut down. The last message that's on there says system is going down for reboot now. So that'll go for about 5 minutes. And yeah, so that's it. So that's it. That's as easy as it gets to run a cleanup script on this box. This is very simple. I didn't need a DBA or a Unix admin. With my limited knowledge of Linux, I was able to log in there and run the script, follow the guide, and I have a clean place to start generating a new appliance, where I can give it a new IP address, set it up someplace new, create new databases. In my next video, I'll show you that. I'll show you how to create a new appliance and to generate a database and connect to it through SQL Developer or whatever other app. So that's it. That's my BreakTime update. Ran a little bit over this time, but I hope this is helpful and gives you a look inside of how easy it is to deploy and clean up this ODA box. I'll turn the camera around. You can see it's over there. It's over there rebooting. I don't know if you can see the screen, but it's ready to go. It's doing all kinds of work over there. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you later.